Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday night. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe and made it through the week. And now we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below to get one of these at a low cost. And in case I do have any discount codes, it'll be in the description. And also see what other goodies they have to offer. So you might want to add something on your Amazon wish list for Santa Claus. Stop on in. And we got one of these coming up. Not sure what this is. Paper. Oh, nice. Alright. This is coming from Burger. Let me check. Hold on one sec. Alright, this is coming from Enfonie on Amazon. So the links will be down below. And it's one of these bad boys. 10,000 mAh wireless charging for iPhone, iPhone 8 Plus, Samsung. Oh, sweet. 99 Plus, that's what I have. Really nice wireless. Don't need no wires with this. 4 times stronger. Quick charge. Awesome stuff. Definitely for the Nintendo Switches, you guys might want to pick these up. And for your e-cigarettes, this would be great for. Always use the USB to charge. Micro USB, wireless charging, colors. This is nice packaging though. See, there's the phones, 24 hours, tablets, games, PC. Oh, that's cool. That's gonna be really nice. I do got my phone to show it. It's on charging actually, but I'll bring it out in a second. See how this thing works. So you guys can get one. Drop it down. Open this thing up. There we go. Did a little cut. A little surgery. Here we go. Open this thing up right here. Ooh, easy slide. Boom. Oh, this is nice. Nice color. Really smooth surface. Lightweight. There's a USB port. Micro power. Just charge it up. So here is a power button. Oh, nice. It's already pre-charged. So it'll be a lot easier putting my phone on it. I'll do that in a second. Let's see what other goodies they got. Really cool. Wasn't expecting this one today. And there's a USB charge, just in case he needs to be charged. So let me read something really fast. I want to know how long like the charge. I know it said like 24 hours and stuff, but just to verify it. Hold on one second. Alrighty, here we go. We got my phone right there. It's at 7%. So I'm going to try this wireless, sweet little portable battery charger. So juice it up. Make sure yours is on NFC or QI. Q1. Here, boom. I don't know if you guys saw it, but go like this. Boom. Look at that. Magic. This thing is sweet. So it'll be great for your Nintendo Switches, MacBooks, pretty much everything. iPhones. And this is the 9 Plus right here. And you can use it for your iPhone X. It's a really sweet portable charger. It is lightweight too. I'll stick this in your purse, in your pocket. Oops, a little bit of water. It's alright. So get one at low cost, YouTubers. Check them out. Link will be down below. So this is definitely a nice one. Get a great stocking stuffer, you know? So definitely get a couple. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a great night. And see ya.